Let's see the 1 mark questions now. What are the two natural resources? Inescostable and escostable. Inescostable means the resources are in unlimited quantity. Example, sunlight, air. And escostable means it's in limited quantity. Natural gas and coal, petroleum all come under this category. The process of separating the various constituent fractions of petroleum is known as refining. Coal, petroleum and natural gas. These were formed from the dead remains of living organisms. So these are all known as fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are coal, petroleum and natural gas. Example for renewable sources are sunlight, air. Example for non-renewable resources are coal, petroleum, natural gas, wildlife and minerals. In India, natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Krishna Godavari Delta. Fossil fuels are coal, petroleum and natural gas. It is a tough, porous and black substance known as coke. Coke only, it's a tough, it's hard as stone. It's a black thick liquid with an unpleasant smell, coal tar. This is a dark oily liquid, it has an unpleasant odor. That is petroleum. Petrol and diesel are obtained from a natural resources called petroleum. Notes. Coal gas. Coal gas was used for street lighting for the first time in London in 1810 and in New York around 1820. Nowadays, it is used as a source of heat rather than light. The first oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania, U.S.A. in 1859. 8 years later, in 1867, oil was struck at Makum in Assam. In India, oil is found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai, and in the river basins of Godavari and Krishna. Petrochemicals. Many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These are termed as petrochemicals. These days, bitumen, a petroleum product, is used in place of coal tar for metaling the roads. Thank you. Bye-bye. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe.